Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Ozzy. I'm back again with another video. Today we got another unboxing video on a pretty cool speaker in my opinion, and it's the JBL Flip 4. Corny, I know, but let's get into the unboxing. Yeah.
Do 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 Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright guys, so here we have it, the JBL Flip 4. Now I was able to get this on Black Friday week or Cyber Monday week, whatever you want to call it, and it was about $59.99 on Google Express. I was able to find a 20% discount, I believe, and it dropped it down under 50, a little bit under 50, around 47 plus tax and all that. So this is almost about half off. I don't know if there's still $100, but I have experience with this speaker before, but I unfortunately had to give it away. And I didn't have the red color at the time. Now I was able to get red, since red is my favorite color. So I'm pretty hyped about this. The speaker, I already can tell you, has fantastic quality. But if you guys want to see what's inside the box, then here it is. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so really quick, let's take a look at the box here. You got JBL Flip 4 branding, you got the speaker, CES 2007 award. This is an older speaker. I don't know if they dropped the price because they're about to release some new ones, but this one is pretty good itself. Here we got the battery life. It says about 12 hours. It's IPX7, JBL Connect Plus, and microphone. Let's go here. All-purpose weather. You got the speaker right here. It comes. You can download a companion app if the camera would focus. It gives you all the specs right here. So let's see, 12 hours of playtime, IPX7, sorry, JBL Connect, and smartphone. That's what's on the front. What's in the box? The speaker plus a cable. It can connect to multiple devices. JBL.com. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. Here's a JBL Connect Plus little promo thing. Tells you what it is here. So for those of you that don't know, JBL Plus, Connect Plus is their new technology where you can connect up to I believe 100 speakers simultaneously. So if you got a friend, if a couple of friends have this JBL, and it doesn't need to be the Flip, I believe it can be the Charge or anything else that has JBL Plus, you can all connect together and play the same song, and then that way it amplifies the music that's being played out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to it. It's sealed here. I haven't even opened it. Let me make sure I don't slice my fingers off though. Alright, and shout out to Flossie. Rah. Always wanted to do that. Rah. Did I do it right? This isn't a fantastic knife anyways. Oh. Alright, there we got it. Alright. Now here we go. Let's open it up. There you go, JBL. Alright, get 3 months of Google Play Music. That's pretty good. I use the YouTube Music, so I wonder if it's compatible with that. Alright. Here we got some, what I'm assuming is some paperwork. Let's get into here. Yep. Some paperwork, user manual. Nothing else. Little whatever that's called. Let's check in here. I believe this is the cable. Look at this presentation, guys. JBL is always on point with their presentation. Their unboxings are always nice. Check it out. We got the cables, and then in true JBL fashion, it's this orange cable here. It's a flat, no tangle. Very good quality. I love these cables. I actually use these other ones here. from my headphones. If you haven't seen that unboxing, well, I didn't do an unboxing. If you haven't seen that review, it's on my channel. But now I get a second. Unfortunately, it's micro USB, not Type C. So I'm gonna keep saying it until everything starts coming out with Type C. So let's move this to the side, and here it is, the speaker itself. And I love this red color. I love it. It comes with this strap here. You can attach it to your hand if you're holding it like that. You can maybe attach it to a book bag or something like that. The speaker is kind of heavy. I wouldn't suggest you do that. This is more meant for, you know, playing your music and setting it down. But it does come with this strap here. Now here's the little mini subwoofers here on the side. The sound that comes out of this is incredible. I'm not going to play a sound here because you're not going to be able to tell through this video's audio how well the sound is. But you're going to have to take my my word for it, or you can go into Best Buy or something and hear yourself. But the sound on this is incredible. Alright, so first of all, here we got the play button, the plus and minus for volume, and then the Bluetooth button. Here's the power, and then the JBL Connect Plus, and here are the ports. You got to open it up. You got a aux port and a micro USB. So it's weather sealed. You got to close it in like that, and you're good to go. You got this material here. I don't even know what this is. Like it's this fabric that, you know, wraps around the whole speaker except for the back part. So, but I mean, it looks really nice. You got JBL right on the front there. So really quick, you can, let me put this over here, make sure it doesn't fall. Actually, move off camera, guys. All right. So you can play it. You can put it like this. You can have it set up like that. It won't rock. It'll just stay on the back side like that, showing the JBL. Or you can stand it up, if however you want it. You know, it's a good speaker. All right. So let's see if it got some juice on here. So it's searching for a so let me get my phone. It's searching for Bluetooth or Bluetooth. Getting my phone here, guys. Give me 1 second. Turn Bluetooth on. So yeah, on here you can see JBL Flip 4. So I'm going to go ahead and pair to it. And you'll hear a, come on. I swear it's trying to pair. There you go. It found it. Took a little long, but it actually found the connection. It's showing you there that it's connected. So you know what? I will just play something really quick so you can hear the sound quality on this speaker. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so I went ahead and found a song that I can play. That's from a friend of mine, Telescope Thieves. Shout out to you, man. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and play Luster, his song, on the speaker, and just listen to the clarity and the bass that is playing. 3, 2, 1. That's about 70% audio. So that's not a heavy intensive bass song, but you can definitely hear the bass coming from the speaker. So it's a really well made speaker. You know, I can't say enough about it. I love it. I love the portability of it. The battery, it lasts, it says 12 hours, you know, I got to charge this thing up once every 2 to 3 weeks or something, I'm imagining. So if I'm not listening to music on my headphones, then I'm listening to music on this. When I go out, if I go out to a, you know, gathering or something like that, I take my speaker with me. You know, I got my headphones. I got to shout out to the redness. Okay, JBL, you guys are pulling through. All right, so you just heard me throw it back there and I hit something. All right, so that's a quick unboxing. I'm gonna do maybe a mini impressions video. I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. I really love this speaker, but we'll see how it goes. That's just a little unboxing video, and I'm gonna recommend this speaker. If you can find it for that price, fantastic. This is a great speaker. All right, guys, to the next one. Peace.